So, will you be ready? I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone, and in today's organizing tip, I wanted to talk a little bit about the hybrid work model. As many of you probably are experiencing, you probably will be going back into your company's office sometime this year, if not by the beginning of next year. And being ready for that transition will be really important. So start thinking about it now, and there are some things you can start preparing so that this transition will be seamless. Start first off with your home office because you're still going to need it. Whether you're working in your company's office 3 or 4 days a week, you'll still have some time at home. So you really want to be sure you have that dedicated home office that really supports you and is a really productive workspace. So make sure that you have all the supplies you need, the tools you need, everything within arm's reach so you can be your best and work your best, because as you're moving between locations, things are going to get a little chaotic. So having this stable environment ready for you will be very important. And then secondly, think about your systems. You want the space to be really functional. So especially as you're moving back and forth between locations, you might be doing certain tasks in your company's office, other tasks at home, or a combination of both. So your days will look a little different. So make sure that you're checking your calendar every morning so you can see where the open blocks of time are for focus work, where the meetings will be, so that you can maximize your day and get everything done. Also, it'll be very important to have really, really specific end of the day and beginning of the day routines. The calendar is one, as I just mentioned, because if you're shifting locations, knowing where those open blocks of time are going to be key. At the end of the day, clearing your desk, because you don't want to leave a whole bunch of stuff on your desk and maybe in your company's office. You leave for a couple of days, you come back, and now you have all this stuff cluttering the desk, and you probably won't even remember what it is. So you got to spend time clearing it. So clear the desk at the end of the day in both locations. So when you come in the morning, you can sit down and get right to work. I'll be sharing other tips about the hybrid work model in the near future, so please stay tuned. In the meantime, check out my blog at theorganizingzone.com/blog for other tips. Stay tuned and see you soon.